I've got a recipe for a delicious pasta bake with mushroom and sausage for you. You can find the full ingredients list in the description below. I warmly welcome new viewers to subscribe to my channel. Firstly, fry 250 g of mushrooms in butter. Keep frying until the water evaporates. Season with salt and pepper to finish. In oil, fry the sausage. I used 400 g of sliced sausage. When the sausage starts to brown, add the pepper and onions. Keep frying for around 5 more minutes. Then, add the mushrooms that you fried earlier. Pour in a cup of tomato passata. Stir it all together, then season with salt, pepper, and sweet paprika. Stir again and take it off the heat. Mix in 200 g of grated cheese, then add your choice of cooked pasta. Mix it all together, then transfer to an oven-proof dish. Sprinkle with the remaining cheese. I added half inside and the other half on top. Now bake the pasta bake in a preheated oven at 180 C for about 20 minutes without using the fan setting. I don't cover it, it's enough to just let the cheese brown up. Our pasta bake is ready. I have already sprinkled some parsley on top. I highly recommend it.